हाँ, इसके बाद भी अभी स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया बहुत अच्छे से with the stakeholder, with Judo Federation of India and the other experts, we are interacting how we can continue these sessions to help the young grassroots level kids to learn the basics, जो बहुत जगह पर मिसिंग है, जहां पर अभी इंडिया में इतनी कोचेज नहीं कि हर फॉरेन तक कोचेज पहुंच पाए. So this will help the physical training coaches, teachers to train their basic students before sending them to the clubs. Okay, chalo, Kamarpreet, nice to see you again back. Thank you. Come on, get up everyone. Follow Sushma ma'am for the basic stretching. Then we move ahead with the dynamic and followed by some judo uchikomis. Come on.
Good morning. 2 times deep breathing करेंगे और concentrate करेंगे आज की practice के लिए. Let's start. Deep breathe. Okay. Stretch. Full stretch of body. Side. Other side. Front. Back. Now start. Stretch. Stretch your heel. Other leg. Heel. First leg. Stretch. Down. Other leg. Right side. Continue stretch. Left leg. Right leg. Face sidewards. Other side. Change. Stretch. Look left side. Now face right side, back. Stretch. Up. Side. Like Trikonasana. Other side. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. Change. Other hand. Palm. Other side. Right hand. Change the direction. Change. Stretch. And tight hold. Turn. Stretch. Stretch. Tight hold and stretch. Stretch. Change. Other side. Neck sideways, stretch. Other side. Down. Back. Arigato.
Come on.
Good morning, everyone. Start with shoulder rotation.
Come on, Pragya. Good. Manthan. Sambhavi. Kadam. Very
Back
good.
side.
Rahul. Come on, Rahul. Good.
Okay, alternate. One
Bijoy
forward,
and
one
Purnima.
backward.
Yes. One hand forward, one hand backward. Good, Rahul. Very good coordination.
Okay.
Good, Lakshmi.
Okay, swing.
Come on, Kanta sir.
Okay, up.
Shivananda ji. Namaskar. Now our session is truly global. From Japan to US, US to Australia and to India, and from each and every part of India. Good morning, Kawasaki say Poonam Rana ma'am.
Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody.
Change. Wide your legs. Sumo squat. One. Change. Side squat. Change. Start jumping.
Come on.
Skipping jump. Change. On the spot jogging. Move forward. Backward. Forward. Back. Move side. Other side. Change, jumping, jumping, skipping rope, skipping jump. Hip twist. Change, kick. Change, kick back. Change, high knee. Change, hip twist. Change. Other leg. Change, jumping jack. Change, get in. corner. Change, retrace. Okay. 5 times up jump. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times jump and touch toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax, relax. Touch jump and toe touch. Continue.
Come on, come on, come on, jump up. Yes, come on, come on.
Toe touch.
Toe touch, 5 times.
Okay. Relax.
Now, although we are totally ready, but let us remind you to do couple of basic drills and you can perform at your home also. Basic judo drills. Forward and backward rolling. Start with forward and backward rolling. Start. Forward, backward. Keep going, keep going. Nice and easy. Come on. Now forward, roll and split your leg. Split your leg. Forward roll and split. Stretch your legs and stay there for a while. No hurry, no hurry. Stay there, stay there. Stay there, move forward, stay there. Yes, go back. 5 times again. Stay there, stretch more. Good. Go back 5 times. 3 more. Yes, keep going, keep going.
Last one.
Change.
Cartwheel. From both sides.
Both sides, both sides. Right. With other hand. Keep going, right, left. Keep going. Yes.
Now change, handstand and back.
Just put some weight on your shoulders, your arms, and come back. One by one. Keep going. Yes, good, good. Good, Monthan. Very good. Keep going.
Okay, relax.
Thank you, sir.
Now, before we move ahead for the tube training, let's start 8 to 10 minutes with three parts. The number one is Ashivaza, okay? Ashivaza technique, then the major techniques which includes Tevaza and Koshivaza, and the last one is combination, okay? 3 minutes each. So let's start with the sweeping side. Keep going. Use your arms. Use your arms. Keep going. Keep going. Sir, can you please change the spotlight one by one? Keep going, everyone. Sweeping, then forward, step forward, and sweep. Yes, Rachna ma'am. Keep going, everyone. Keep going. You can add Kochigari, Kosotogari, and Ochigari as well. Keep going. Come on, Kavalpreet. Kochigari, move back, Kavalpreet. Step back. Watch me. Step back and Kochigari. Step back and Kochigari, Kavalpreet. Come on. Sir, spotlight. Yes, watch. Step back, Kochigari. Step back, pull, Kochigari and push. Step back, pull, Kochigari and push. Simultaneously, पहले आप खींचेंगे. When your opponent is coming, then Gari and push. Step back, Kochigari. Step back, pull, Kochigari. Step back, pull, Kochigari. Step back, pull, Kochigari. Keep going. Now, step aside and Kosotogari. Step back, Kosotogari from outside. Come on. You need to make little more turning. Kosotogari. Keep going. Hold your opponent. Kosoto. Now, Ochigari. Pull, step in, Gari and push. Pull, step in, Gari and push. Ochigari. Pull close, sweep and push. Gari means sweep. Keep going. जब आप पुश करें आपको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि that you are about to fall, आप गिरने वाले हैं. That is the rear push. Pull, push. जैसा कि हम ड्रॉप डाउन में कर रहे थे कल. Very good. Okay. Now start with basic techniques. It can be Shionage, it can be Tayakoshi, it can be Uchimata, Haraigoshi, Ogoshi. Chalo. Keep going. Pull. Don't forget to pull. Now we can change spotlight. Don't forget to pull. Your technique. Come on, Ishan Vitrishla. Come on. Yes, good. Keep going. Come on, Disha Chaudhary. Keep going. Yes. Pull. Don't forget to pull. Use your hands. More you perfect your technique. Yes, good. Ankit, very good. Ankit and the team from Hojrani, very good. Yes, boys, girls, very good. You can change techniques. Nice. All of them are in almost the same t-shirt. Come on, it's a team. Good. Keep going, Ankit. Come on, Ankit and the team. Ankit, Ranjit, everyone, very good. Come on, Shambhu and Sharda, keep going. Last 1 minute. Come on, Harsh, keep going. Yes, good. Harsh, more higher. Leg should more swing. Yes, good. Balance. Look, Harsh. More your balance is breaking, it means you need to train it more and more. Like we said earlier, 10,000 uchikomis. If you want to perfect, 10,000 uchikomis. Good, Anugya. Very good, Anugya. Your balance is improving, Anugya. Very good, Uchimata. Yes, Harshvardhan. Keep going. Yes, everyone. Okay, relax and watch and listen. जब भी आप कोई टेक्निक मारते हैं और अभी आपके साथ आपका ओपोनेंट नहीं है, आप इमेजिन कीजिए अगर आपके ओपोनेंट के बिना भी आपका बैलेंस ब्रेक हो रहा है, तो जब आप फ्यूचर में उच्चीमाता मारेंगे और आपका ओपोनेंट का वेट भी आपके साथ होगा, उस समय आपके बैलेंस का क्या होगा? ओके, हैव यू एवर नोटिस जब मियाजाकी सिंह से उच्चीमाता मारते तो ही स्टेज देयर, ओके, There's no magic. There is purely repetition work. Purely repetition work for years. So what you need to do is, you learn from here, you learn from your coaches. What makes you a champion is more and more self-training. More and more self-training. Maybe 10,000, 20,000 uchikomis. Please, okay? Please focus on that also. Now, the last 2 minutes is, before we move towards tube training, let's start combinations, last 2 minutes. 2 minutes is combination. You can apply Ouchigari and then pull, take the reaction, Uchimata. Ouchigari, take the reaction, and Shionage. It can be Ippon Shionage, it can be Tayatoshi as well. Come on. Reaction, throw. Followed by 1 or 2. Yes, good. Good, Vaishali. Good. Keep going, boys and girls. Ouchigari, Uchimata, Ouchigari, Uchimata, Ouchigari, Shionage. Keep going, Vaishali. Very good. Vaishali, very good. Vrushti Patel. Oh, I'm sorry. Very good, Vrushti. Keep going. Combination, everyone. Ouchigari, Uchimata, Ouchigari, Osotogari. Totally your call. Leave it, brother. Leave it. Come on, Monica. Very good. Yes, Monica. Good Uchimata. Ouchigari. Yes. Imagine the reaction. Prepare. Plan, Shruti. Plan. You need to attack one. Get the reaction and apply the best technique you have. Yes, good. Yes, good, Chinky ma'am. Keep going. Keep going, Chinky ma'am. Leave it. Combinations. Last 30 seconds. Yes, Ouchigari and Ippon Shionage. Ouchigari and Shionage. Yes, good. Good, Lakshmi Nagar. Very good. Vijay. Wow. Good synchronization. Very good. Ouchigari, Shionage. Yes, super.
Sir, just one point here. What the most important you said is wait for the opponent's reaction. We must give that one fraction of a second for the opponent to react and then execute our throw. Shambhavi, outstanding. Ken, outstanding. Hook. Wow.
Mate, relax. You can have water. And please, जैसे आप फ्यूचर में बड़े स्टैंड प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर खेलना शुरू करेंगे, वहां पर अप्लाइंग टेक्निक डायरेक्टली is almost impossible. When you're competing with some good players, it's very difficult. You need to beat their brain first. आपका टेक्निक से आप उनको बीट करने से पहले आपको उनके दिमाग को बीट करना पड़ेगा. That too with the help of some combinations, some good attack followed by the chain of attacks. It will surely help you to get bigger scores or maybe a score to win a fight. Okay, now I request you all to please have water, relax for a while, control your breathing, and arrange your tubes, arrange your TheraBands. Come on, fix your camera accordingly. You have time. We have complete 2 minutes break to arrange all these things.
Very important point Yashpal sir made is to wait for the action reaction. Not just one Ouchigari followed by Uchimata, Ouchigari followed by Uchimata. No, Ouchigari. Just wait for just a second and then apply your main technique. Always just wait for that 1 second. Wait for the reaction, action.
a strong science method. This logic is strongly based on a method that when your opponent is pushing you and you are pulling him, so two force combine. So reaction पे जब आप action करते हैं, जब आप अपने opponent का reaction लेते हैं, he start pushing you or pulling you, that is the best time to apply your technique. So आपका force और उनका force जब एक direction में जाता है, whether his push and your pull, तो आपका technique में जो आपको pushing, for example, I have the power to pull 40 kg, 50 kg. When my opponent is pushing me with 50 kg force, then the force add on to 100 kg maybe. So that is the benefit of action and reaction. So now ready with the basics. Start. Come on. Take the tube everyone. जिनके पास ट्यूब नहीं है वो कंटिन्यू अपनी उच्चकोमी कर सकते हैं. Okay, with the belt, with the tube. पहले like we request earlier, it's not very difficult to arrange tube. Because it's not complete lockdown. इंडिया में कोई भी जगह ऐसा नहीं है जहाँ complete lockdown हो अभी. So arranging a tube, maybe not TheraBand, then maybe a basic cycle tube we can arrange. Okay. So we start with the OB. आप अपनी बेल्ट से start कर सकते हैं. आप किसी भी basic कपड़े से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं अगर नहीं है अभी भी. And जिनके पास ये नहीं है, they can again basic shadow. Okay. Basic shadow training जो हम पहले कर रहे थे. Okay, those who have tube, start pulling down for 30 second time, please, Amit sir. 30 second, pull down close to you, pull down. We are developing the pulling muscles. Pull down, pull up, yes, come on. पूरा वार्म अप होने के बाद भी हम थोड़ा उच्चकोमी और वो करते हैं ताकि हम स्पेसिफिक मसल ग्रुप को रेडी कर सकें, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ को डेवलप कर सकें. कीप गोइंग. Relax. Now pull up close to your ears, to your head. Pull up.
Ready, go.
Come on, up.
Last 10 seconds, come on.
Relax. You can feel the tension in your shoulder blades, in your back muscles. Now, one hand, you need to watch timer, and the second hand, follow. Okay? Ready?
Go.
At the same place, don't move your legs first. Don't move your legs. Pull up. Keep going. Come on, Bijoy sir, keep going. Pull up. Come on, Anugya, very good. Relax. Now, after 20 seconds, change the side, other side now. अब आपका हिकिते, surite and surite, ikite, okay? Now your pulling and throwing hand is to change in other direction.
Ready, go.
Move your head accordingly. Move your head with your pulling hand. Keep going. Breathing, maintain the breathing process. Good, Arshita Bharti. Very good. Keep pulling, beta. Very good, Arshita. Arivoli sir. Relax. Now, more
more developed uchikomi. Now we have to turn our body with the pulling, right, and then other side. Ready, everyone? Go. Move your legs, pull up. We can apply any technique from here, any technique. If you get the pulling, move ahead with the front technique. If no reaction, then move the back technique. Keep going, come on, Pragati, keep going, yes. Move your leg, turn your face, up, relax, yes, other side. Come on, Pragya Sambhu, other side. Ready? Go. Move your legs. Keep going. Relax. Now, major techniques. Come on, start with the Suyonage. Start with the Suyonage now. Ready, everyone? Go! Suyonage. Pull, enter, Suyonage. Come on. You can mix Suyonage with Ippon Suyonage as well, because just by changing the hand position, you can apply the same technique. Come on. Relax. Relax. Other side. Good, Riya, other side. Relax for a while. Good. Ready? Go! Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good, Ishan, very good. Complete 180-degree turn, Ishan, very good. Ishan, you are little far than the grassroots level. You can bend your legs too. For basic players, there's no need to bend legs, but you can bend your legs. Go for half squat. Yes, keep going, keep going, keep going. Mate, relax. Nice to see Tushar sir working out in the backdrop. Come on, everyone. Now change your technique by adding just one leg out. Spot like this. By just adding one leg out, that is Syotoshi or Taetoshi, totally your combination, okay? Very good, Sangle. Very good, come on. Go! Pull, enter. Pull up, enter, Taetoshi. Pull up, enter, Syotoshi. Come on. Come out completely, pura 180 degree chahiye. Come on, Harsh Patel, come on, use the TheraBand. Yes, Mohit. Come on, Mohit, Taetoshi, very good boy, very good boy. Relax, wait for 20 seconds, then other side, watch again. आपको पूरा 180 degree turn करना है, पूरा. Then come out completely. Don't keep your leg there. Okay, don't cheat. Come out, then step in, pull up, and apply your technique. Okay? Come out completely. Ready? Go! Come on, cover breathe. Come on, cover breathe. Keep going.
Kamarpreet, start Uchikomi, left side Kamarpreet. जिनको लेफ्ट साइड नहीं आता है, दिस इज द राइट टाइम, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टू कम्पीट वेरी सून. अभी कोई बहुत जल्दी कंपटीशन नहीं है आपके लिए, और ना ही इस एज ग्रुप के लिए कंपटीशन बहुत मैटर करता है. ओके, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी, वेरी गुड गर्ल, पुल, यस गुड, वेरी गुड, पूरा टर्न करो, वेरी गुड,
Relax.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. That's it. Very good, Kishi. Very good. Relax. Now we can change the technique. हो सकता है आप में से बहुत से लोग शिवनागे ना करते हो सकता है बहुत से लोग उच्चीमाता ना करते हो. But this is the time, this is the age. I know a couple of champions of India as well as abroad. They apply all the techniques, Uchimata and Shionage as well. I know a world champion of 3 times. Jeong Ki-young, he used to apply Shionage throughout his career. After winning Olympic, he changed the technique to Uchimata, okay? So you can apply all techniques. This is the time to develop the base. So go ahead with Uchimata now. Uchimata, come on everyone. Come out, pull, enter, Uchimata. Come on. Right side. Keep going. आपका बैलेंस खराब हो रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आप मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. जो लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं और मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, they can learn and erase their mistake. But those who are not trying will never do the same. Come on, Pragati, try Uchimata with the wall. Yes. No. Go away from the wall, and you can move along with the wall. You can move along with the wall, parallelly, not against. Yes, Riya, come on. Riya, take one hand only. Use one hand. Come on. Yes, good, Riya. This is the time. Come on, Pragya. Good. Try. Mate. Spotlight, please. Watch me first. Please watch me. देखिए ध्यान से देखिए प्लीज. माते, आप वॉल के नजदीक हैं. लेट्स से दिस इज अ वॉल. आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ डमी, बट you most of you are training with the wall or with the pillar. So आप पिलर को उच्चीमाता नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते. You may hurt your legs. What you can do is, आप साइड में खड़े हो जाओ, उसके साइड में, and you pull up and then enter and then swing your leg along with the wall. Okay? Other side now, left side. Pull up, Uchimata. Pull up, Uchimata. Pull up, keep going. Chalo, Shabas, come on. Pragati, please. Come on. Yes, Japjot, strong, yes. Come on, Japjot, strong boy. Keep going, Shruti, come on. Anugya, come on, Khushi. Leave the phone aside. Pragati, yes, Pragati, other side, beta. Chalo. Yes, Riya, good one. Mate. Okay. Now time for just 2-3 minutes of speed training. Are you ready? Technique is of your choice. It can be Uchimata, it can be Shionage, Ippon-shinage or Taetoshi. But remember two things. By just fooling yourself and counting more reps with half entry. No. Please don't repeat it. आपके कोचेस आपको वॉच कर रहे हैं. गॉड इज वॉचिंग यू. अगर आप हाफ टर्निंग करेंगे तो आपकी टेक्निक हाफ ही डेवलप होगी. Who wants to develop half technique? Who wants to develop half technique? Please show me your thumb. Please show me a gallery view, please. Nobody. Yes, very good. So अगर स्पीड वर्क है तो आपको पूरा, अगर आप वॉक के साथ कर रहे हैं, पिलर के साथ कर रहे हैं, डमी के साथ कर रहे हैं, पार्टनर के साथ कर रहे हैं,
You need to face to face, and you need to turn complete. Come out, okay? Now, speed. Ready? Everyone take position for 20 seconds speeds and 40 seconds rest. You need to give your best, ताकि आपको 40 सेकंड में भी सांस पूरा रिकवर ना हो. Okay? Ready? Go! Complete. Turning. Come on, Anukya. Very good. Keep going. Come on. Come on, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Mate, Shruti, Mate, Anukya. Very good. Leave the bed. Leave the tube. Relax. Very good. Relax. Very good. You can shake your hands. You can relax your waist, your core. You can stretch your legs. What we are doing is, Kaur sir ne kya word use kiya tha? Reloading. We are supporting our heart by decreasing our pulse rate to the normal working rate. Okay? जब आप 20 सेकंड स्पीड किया होगा तो आपका पल्स रेट 150 प्लस रहा होगा, 60, 70, 80 में भी. Okay? That is totally depend on your efforts. Okay? Another 5-10 seconds. Relax and ready for the load again. This time other side, left side. Okay? Left side. In the spotlight. The same technique or the other technique. Other side. Ready, everyone? Come on, Lakshmi. Go! Faster. Come on. Very good, Ankit. Very good, Ankit. Fajia, come on, Atul. Very good. Speed.
Relax.
Mate. Same. Leave the tube aside. Chhod do. Relax. 3 more set like this. 3 more. 20 seconds we work, 40 seconds we rest. So the total time is 3 more minutes. Okay? And the training is over then. 3 more minutes. We work 3 more minutes. जब ये ट्रेनिंग ओवर हो जाती है और आपको लगता है you still have the energy, you can work out for more time. So आप अपना शैडो ट्रेनिंग, आप ये सोचिए कि आपको वो 10,000 ऊंची कौमी जो भी आपने आज सीखा है या जो भी आपके कोच ने आपको बताया उसको आप डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, you need to do at least 10,000. that is basic. उसके बाद अगर आप लैक्स में चले जाते हैं तो that makes you a master of that technique. Okay? Ready, Ankit Soni, everyone ready? Third round. Ready, your technique, your choice.
Ready, go.
Come on. Come on, Anukya. Come on, Pragya. Very good. Faster, Pragya, faster. 20 seconds we have. Push. This is speed time. Explode.
Yes, Pragya, fabulous. Very good.
Mate, everyone. Mate. Relax for 40 seconds. Good morning, Miyazaki Sensei. Surinder sir, everyone. Sikandar sir, very good morning. Welcome all. Let me remind you again, all of you, tomorrow we have break. We'll meet you again on Friday, okay? Please convey this message to your friends, your colleagues, your training partners, and अपने लिए भी reminder डाल लें.
Chalo, ready everyone? Still we have 10 seconds. Prepare. Come close to the tube, take the position. Go! Faster! Come on, Shruti, come on, Khushi, speed one. Very good, Mohit, very good, beta, very good, Mohit. Good. Keep going. 2, 1, Mate. Very good. Relax. One more round, the last one. Kindly count yourself. अगर आपने first round में 20 सेकंड में 20 या 21 या 18 जो भी उसको में आपने किया था according to your speed, try to beat that score. That means अभी fight last phase में है और you need to attempt more attempts required. अगर आप ज्यादा अटैक और ज्यादा स्पीड से मूव करेंगे in the last phase of the fight, so एक तो आप अपना एंड्योरेंस तो डेवलप कर ही रहे हैं, बट अगर हम सीनियर अभी आपको बाय डिफॉल्ट हम व्हाट वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग इज बाय डिफॉल्ट आपके अंदर एक हैबिट होगी कि लास्ट में आप एफर्ट अच्छा देंगे. तो जब आप सीनियर होते जाएंगे या जूनियर्स में कम्पीट करेंगे तो देन यू कैन विद दिस ट्रेनिंग you can get your opponent paralyzed for non-activity or maybe you can score. So you have win-win situation. Ready everyone? The last round, hold the tubes. Ready? Go! Come on! Faster, Chinky ma'am, chalo.
Very good form, Chinky ma'am. Good morning, Veer. Fantastic. Wow, look at that, Seotoshi. Lovely.
2, 1, Mate, everyone, Mate, everyone. Relax. Govind sir, can you please help them to recover for 5 minutes because they did very good training today, almost throughout the training from the time where Gagan sir and Sushma ma'am left you completely warm up, pura 40 minutes, although with the breaks which is required for your age group, almost double the time. जब आपने speed training की तो rest time is double. जब आपने normal training की, the workout time and the training time is almost the same. One more thing, जब भी आपको speed training और intense training करें, तो उसके immediately बाद don't gulp water, don't sip also, relax for a while. Leave your bottles aside, relax, calm your heart, your body for a while. जब आपका pulse थोड़ा सा normal आए, आप अपने सांस को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, then gradually step by step. Okay, please follow Gagan sir for cool down. Thank you, Gagan sir. Come on. Continue, boys.
Catch up. Relax. Catch up. Move. Bend left side. And hold. Relax. Catch up. Bend right side. Hold. Relax. Stretch up. Go down. Slowly. Touch the floor. Relax. One more time. Catch up.
Jabjot, come on, cool down, Jabjot, come on.
Slowly. Relax. Wide your legs. Touch your toe. One hand up. Look up. Hold. Relax. Other side. Up. Relax. Change. Go forward. Move left side. Move right side. Relax. Stretch your groin muscle. Other side. Relax. Wide your legs. Hold. Touch your elbow. Move. Sit. Touch your toes and go forward. Up. One more time. Touch your toes. Move forward. Relax. Change. Stretch up. Hold your ankle and try to touch the knees. Up. One more time. Touch up. Hold your ankle. Change. Go
Come
back.
on, Khushi. Come on, leave the camera, beta. Leave the camera. Very good.
Up.
And it's very important, children. Follow the instructors, please. It breaks the lactic acid. It relieves pain from your muscles and joints. It prepares you to train better in the evening or tomorrow. It brings your heart rate down gradually. It's very important.
Up. Change.
Yes, relax your glutes, your quadriceps, your calves. Few exercises are so important that one exercise can relax few major muscles which we train today. While you're cooling down, you're preparing yourself for the next training, maybe in the evening or maybe for tomorrow.
Use this time to think. What did you achieve today? What were the difficult points? What will you train harder? Concentrate.
What you will repeat on your own on the break day. You need to write down, note down. This is the time for education, not for training only.
Other side.
We had a very fruitful meeting yesterday. Tawas Sensei was there. that Sports Authority of India is sincerely working to develop a portal which can help you to learn the basics of judo. You can teach your siblings, your friends, while you're training for yourself. You can help them by enrolling them to the session as well as giving them access to the videos.
Other side.
Most important thing is when you are with your friends, remember at the end of the day, judo is a martial art. Please practice safety.
Other side.
It is very important to know your faults before you know anything else in judo. So we have to be safe. And from the next class onwards, we will train you all. All you have to do is bring one mat, thin mat, and we will train you all to even do your falls. And not only train you to do your falls, but master your falls.
Look up. Steady your elbows.
Boys and girls, stay there. We have one more very important announcement to make. Stay there. Don't leave the meeting. We have one very important
One more
message.
time.
Stay there for a while, just for a minute or so.
I remember Gogi sir used to attract maximum students by doing fabulous break falls.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Gagan sir. Yes, sir. I still remember 1988 when I used to jump over 10, 12 players at a time. Thanks to Gogi sir only, that our ukemis were very good, and still we can ukemi on any surface, on the road, on a hard surface, just because of that basic training. So boys and girls, अगर आप देखें, आप में से भी बहुत से लोग सिंपल मैट्रेस को यूज करते हैं. दैट इज ओके फॉर दिस ट्रेनिंग. आप अपने लिए अरेंज कर सकते हैं. जब आप ओछिगारी फॉल करें तो आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो ऐसे आप बेसिक, और उन मैट्स पर रंगोरी नहीं हो सकती है, बिकॉज आप उसमें आपका पैर मुड़ सकता है. अगर आप श्रद्धा और शंभू को देखें या रिया को देखें या वीर को देखें, दे अरेंज सम मैट्स. सिंपल बेसिक जो मैट्रेस होता है उसकी भी सपोर्ट हम ले सकते हैं टू अवॉइड हिटिंग ऑन द हार्ड सरफेस. थोड़े टाइम के बाद जब आपका बेसिक्स डेवलप हो जाएगा, तब आप अपने आप को किसी भी सरफेस पर करने के कैपेबल बना सकेंगे. The most important announcement for today is that is not for specific, not for this session. This is for all the coaches. That yesterday we had a meeting, and उस meeting में एक छोटा सा पॉइंट आया कि बहुत सारे बच्चे जो खेलो इंडिया स्कीम्स में हैं या किसी न किसी नेशनल में मेडलिस्ट हैं, यूथ नेशनल्स और द जूनियर नेशनल्स, उन सब के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने एनसीओईज की ऑप्शंस ओपन किए हैं. तो जो लोग एनसीओईज को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं वो अपना विलिंग दें. दिस इज नो फोर्स. जो लोग नहीं ज्वाइन करना चाहते वो नॉन विलिंग दें. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिस्पॉन्स. अगर आप चाहते हैं आने वाले टाइम पर आप किसी ना किसी स्कीम का हिस्सा बने, तो आपका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत जरूरी है. वी आर नॉट आस्किंग यू टू ज्वाइन एनी एनसीओई, बट यू नीड टू टेक द कॉल नाउ, वेदर यू विलिंग और नॉट विलिंग. आपको दोनों में से एक ऑप्शन चूज करके भेजना है. जो लोग इसके लिए ऑलरेडी प्रोविजनली सेलेक्ट कर दिए हैं एनएसएफ, यानी कि जूडो फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ने आपके जो नाम साई को भेजे हैं, all the medal winners of youth nationals and the junior nationals, जिनको ये मैसेज मिले हैं फ्रॉम द अथॉरिटीज, मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को या उन कोचेस को बोल रहा हूं कि जिनके पास स्टूडेंट्स कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड एज सून एज पॉसिबल. वेदर यू जॉइन पटियाला, वेदर यू जॉइन मणिपुर, जेएसडब्ल्यू, जहां भी आप जाना चाहें, बट प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. यू आर प्रोविजनली सिलेक्टेड with the help of your performance, with the support of your performance in the nationals and the Khelo India events. Thank you very much. We'll see you day after tomorrow. That is Friday morning 7. Friday morning 7. Please mark
the date in your calendar, in your reminder, in your phone. Tomorrow we have no training. Thank you very much for staying with us for more than 1 hour. Thank you very much, coaches, players.